Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the different types of heart murmur. So first of all we have to know about the different valves of the heart. So in this video you can see in the picture that this is the mitral valve, which is the fifth intercostal space left side, midclavicular line and below the nipple. Second, this is the tricuspid valve, which is in the fourth intercostal space on the left side. Then this is the air point. Then above this is the second intercostal space. There is a pulmonary wall on the left side. Then there is another and the last wall, which is the aortic wall, which is the second intercostal space on the right side. So these are the four main valves, and there are different types of murmurs which can be heard on this region. So let's start the different types of murmurs. So let's see first of all pulmonary area. So first of all, pulmonary area, there is a systolic ejection murmur, which is in the pulmonary seen in the pulmonary stenosis, ASD, atrial septal defect, and the flow murmur. Then there is a tricuspid area. Will be the holosystolic murmur and the diastolic murmur. First of all, tricuspid holosystolic murmur is seen in the tricuspid regurgitation and the VSD, ventricular septal defect. Then the diastolic murmur is seen in the tricuspid stenosis. Then let's talk about the mitral area. So in the mitral area, there is three types of murmur: holosystolic, systolic, and the diastolic. Holosystolic murmur is seen as the mitral regurgitation. Systolic murmur is as seen in the mitral valve prolapse, and diastolic murmur is seen in the mitral stenosis. So these are the three main valves. Then the other two valves, like the aortic valve, and there is a systolic murmur only present, and it may be seen in the aortic stenosis, flow murmur, physiological, like the physiological murmur or the aortic wall sclerosis. Then there is the air point in which the diastolic and the systolic murmur is seen. So diastolic murmur in the aortic regurgitation or the valvular regurgitation. Then the pulmonary regurgitation diastolic murmur. Then systolic murmur is also heard in the hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. So these are the different types of heart murmurs. You can screenshot this picture, and there is five areas, and the five there different diseases and different types of murmur is here. So I hope this video is very useful for you. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends, and you can subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.